Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this review, we're exploring Hubdoc to see if it lives up to the hype and can help truly simplify your booking. So to get started, think of Hubdoc as a special helper for your business paper. It's like a digital filing cabinet that keeps all your important financial documents in one place. Instead of keeping them in a messy folder, you can upload them to Hubdoc. You can even use the it mobile app to take picture of receipt. It reads the information from your document, so you don't have to type all yourself. So this saves a lot of time for you as a business owner. It's like it also works with other cool tools like Xero and the QuickBook Online. This means your account can easily see all your important paper. Outlook also helps you create a smoother way to manage your business finances. I'm talking about the key features about this powerful website called Hubdoc. Hubdoc has some really cool tools that make managing your business paper a breeze for you. So it's designed to take away the stress of dealing with receipt, bills, or let's look at some of the best things Hubdoc can do for you as a business owner. So one of these is the automatic document fetching. Just as this, which is called a smart data extraction. So dealing with a lot of invoice and receipt, you can mean tons of data entry. So Hubdoc is smart enough to read the important information from this document, and it can extract the key details like the date, the amount, and who paid you, and all of that key information just to keep everything intact for you, just like a QuickBook Online, saving you a lot of typing and a potential mistakes. And also we have a key features, one of the key features, which is an easy mobile app upload, which makes it more accessible, and a secure cloud-based storage. Now, talking about the pricing list, Hubdoc has a very simple pricing option, and has this one of the compelling pricing features. One of these is a monthly subscription of just $20 per month. Once you have that, you have access to all the key features. So there's nothing much to share in this website. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this perfect website. Thanks.